A nation built on resilience. To understand the resilience of Filipinos, we must first understand their history. Colonized for over 300 years, the Philippines endured oppression, foreign rule, and battles for independence. From the Spanish occupation to the devastation of World War II, the country has been shaped by adversity. But instead of breaking, the people stood tall. They fought, they adapted, and they persevered. The resilience of the Filipino people is deeply ingrained in their culture and history. Through centuries of foreign rule, they developed a strong sense of identity, unyielding faith, and a deep commitment to family and community. Despite facing natural disasters such as typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, they have continually rebuilt their homes and lives, demonstrating an incredible ability to adapt and endure. The spirit of Bayanihan, or communal unity, has been a cornerstone of Filipino resilience, fostering a sense of shared responsibility and support during times of crisis. Resilience is not just about surviving but about thriving. The Filipino spirit has been tested by economic downturns, political turmoil, and global crises, yet the people continue to rise above adversity. Their optimism and unwavering hope fuel their ability to rebuild and transform challenges into opportunities. It is this ability to adapt and persevere that makes them one of the most resilient people in the world. Rising from the ashes, survivors who inspired. November 8, 2013. Typhoon Haiyan, one of the strongest storms ever recorded, ravaged the Philippines. Cities were wiped out, thousands lost their lives, and millions were left homeless. But amidst the devastation, stories of resilience emerged. One such story is that of a small community in Tacloban, where a group of women banded together to start a livelihood program after the storm. By making and selling handcrafted goods, they not only rebuilt their own lives but also provided opportunities for others. Another inspiring survivor is Juan, a fisherman who lost his boat to the typhoon but refused to give up. With the help of donations and community efforts, he was able to build a new one and continue providing for his family. These stories highlight the strength and perseverance of Filipinos in the face of adversity. Typhoon Haiyan was not the first, nor will it be the last disaster to strike the Philippines, yet time and time again, the people find ways to stand up and keep moving forward. Relief efforts and global support played a role, but the true rebuilding came from the people themselves, proving that no force of nature can break their spirit. The rebirth of Marawi, a city rebuilt by its people in 2017, the city of Marawi became a battleground as extremists took control. The war lasted 5 months, leaving the city in ruins. Families were displaced, livelihoods destroyed. But the people of Marawi did not surrender to despair. Even after the dust settled, Marawi's residents faced immense challenges in rebuilding their lives. With support from the government and international aid organizations, they began reconstructing their homes and businesses. One of the key figures in the rebuilding efforts was Ibrahim, a young man who lost his family's store in the siege. Instead of dwelling on the past, he chose to rebuild, helping organize relief efforts and advocating for sustainable reconstruction. Today, Marawi stands as a testament to the determination and strength of its people. The people of Marawi are proving that resilience is not only about survival but about reclaiming what was lost and making it better. Through education, business revitalization, and cultural preservation, the city is experiencing a rebirth, showing that hope and unity can rebuild even the most devastated places. The unsung heroes, OFWs, and their unbreakable spirit. There are over 12 million overseas Filipino workers, OFWs, scattered across the globe. They are mothers, fathers, siblings, individuals who leave their homes behind to provide a better future for their families. The sacrifices OFWs make cannot be understated. Working in unfamiliar lands, they endure homesickness and hardships to send remittances back home, supporting the Philippine economy. Many face challenging work conditions, yet they remain strong, driven by their desire to uplift their families. Their perseverance, discipline, and adaptability allow them to thrive in various industries worldwide. Many OFWs work under grueling conditions, sometimes facing discrimination, exploitation, and loneliness. Yet, they continue to persevere because they know their sacrifices enable their children to go to school, their parents to receive medical care, and their families to have better lives. Their resilience is built on love, duty, and an unbreakable commitment to their families. The sacrifices of OFWs, stories of love and perseverance. Maria, a nurse in Italy, has not seen her children in 2 years. She works tirelessly, sending money back home to ensure her kids get a good education. Every morning, she puts on her uniform, knowing that every sacrifice she makes is for their future. Maria's story is not unique. Millions of OFWs endure long periods of separation from their families. Despite the loneliness and difficulties, they persevere, motivated by love and the dream of a better life for their children. Many OFWs have inspiring stories of resilience, proving that sacrifice and hard work can lead to success. They miss birthdays, anniversaries, and important milestones, yet they continue working tirelessly to provide financial security and opportunities for their loved ones. Beyond Maria's story, countless OFWs across the world share similar experiences. From seafarers braving rough waters to domestic workers enduring long hours and minimal pay, their resilience shines through in their unwavering commitment to family. Some of them start small businesses with their savings, hoping one day to return home and be with their families permanently. Their sacrifices shape the future of generations, proving that love and perseverance can withstand even the greatest hardships. The resilience of Filipino seafarers. Mark, a seafarer, spends months at sea, braving storms and loneliness just to send money back home. His resilience is not just about endurance, it's about love, commitment, and an unbreakable bond with family. Seafarers like Mark spend months away from home, enduring isolation and harsh working conditions. Yet, they remain steadfast, motivated by their families and their role in the global maritime industry. The ability to withstand long periods at sea, face unpredictable weather, and manage the risks of their profession is a true testament to their resilience. The Philippines is known as the seafaring capital of the world, with Filipino seafarers making up a significant portion of the global maritime workforce. Their ability to adapt to different cultures, climates, and challenges speaks volumes about their strength. Despite the demanding nature of their jobs, many of them send a significant portion of their earnings back home, helping sustain the Philippine economy and uplifting their families. Some seafarers, after years of working abroad, return home and start businesses in their provinces. They share stories of perseverance, of battling homesickness and maintaining mental fortitude despite being thousands of miles away from loved ones. Their stories are testaments to the Filipino spirit, hardworking, resilient, and deeply rooted in love for family. The Bayanihan spirit, Filipinos helping Filipinos. The Filipino spirit is not just about surviving alone, it's about lifting each other up. The concept of Bayanihan is deeply embedded in Filipino culture. It means coming together as a community to help those in need. Throughout history, Filipinos have demonstrated the importance of helping one another. Whether through disaster relief, community initiatives, or simple acts of kindness, the Bayanihan spirit unites them in times of hardship. This communal spirit is seen in rural villages where neighbors help build homes for each other, in urban centers where people share food and resources, and in overseas communities where OFWs support one another in times of need. One inspiring example is the aftermath of Typhoon Ulysses in 2020. Amidst the devastation, ordinary Filipinos mobilized donation drives, organized rescue missions, and used social media to spread awareness and help those affected. Students, celebrities, and ordinary citizens all took part in extending help, proving that Bayanihan is alive and well. Bayanihan is not just about responding to disasters, it is a way of life. It manifests in small everyday acts, giving food to a hungry stranger, helping a struggling classmate, or offering assistance to someone in need. It is what makes Filipinos remarkable, and it is why, no matter the challenge, they always rise together. The power of positivity, finding joy in hardship. One of the most remarkable things about Filipinos is their ability to find joy even in the hardest times. Despite the struggles, they laugh, they dance, and they sing. Positivity fuels their resilience. Their optimism serves as a source of strength, allowing them to face challenges with courage and determination. Even in poverty, they find reasons to celebrate, using music, dance, and humor as coping mechanisms. Street children can be seen playing makeshift games, and families displaced by disasters still find moments to smile together. This positive outlook extends to social gatherings, where festivals and celebrations continue even in difficult times. Filipinos love to celebrate life, whether through fiestas, karaoke nights, or simple family gatherings. Their ability to appreciate the little things in life, shared meals, laughter, and community support, demonstrates their deep-rooted gratitude and joy. Many Filipinos use humor as a coping mechanism, making light of difficult situations as a way to endure challenges. This ability to find humor even in adversity makes them uniquely resilient, proving that a positive attitude can make even the toughest battles. Filipino excellence in sports and entertainment. Filipinos excel on the world stage, bringing pride to their country. From sports to entertainment, they show that hard work and resilience lead to greatness. In boxing, Manny Pacquiao's story of rising from extreme poverty to becoming a world champion has inspired millions. His relentless perseverance in the ring mirrors the struggles many Filipinos face daily. Filipino artists like Salonga, who became the first Asian to win a Tony Award, and global singing sensations like Charisse Pimpenko, Jake Cyrus, and KZ Tandingan have put the Philippines on the map in the music industry. Their success stories show that despite obstacles, talent and hard work can lead to international recognition. Filipino athletes, from weightlifter Heidelin Diaz winning the country's first Olympic gold medal to basketball stars making waves internationally, prove that excellence is a product of resilience, determination, and passion. Their achievements inspire the nation, reminding Filipinos that they, too, can rise above adversity and achieve greatness. The power of hope. Lessons from the Filipino people. Filipinos teach us that no matter how hard life gets, as long as there is hope, there is a way forward. Hope is the driving force behind Filipino resilience. Whether through faith, hard work, or community support, Filipinos always find a reason to keep going. Their ability to turn hardship into triumph is a lesson for the world. No matter how many times life knocks you down, as long as you have hope, you can rise again. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories from around the world. Philippines, sparkles, let's celebrate the unbreakable spirit of the Filipino people.